Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to model threaded manifold with FreeCAD 1.0. Okay, let's get started. I picked parametric part template. First, we will create the block. Click on Create Sketch command and pick XY plane. Pick Centered Rectangle command and start sketching at the origin. Type 125 mm for the width and press enter. Type 70 mm for the height and press enter. Close the window. Click on Pad command to give thickness for the block. Type 30 and check Symmetric to Plane option. This will make the center of the block at the origin. Now, I will create some sketches to locate the holes. First, let's pick this face and click on Create Sketch command. Zoom in closer and click on Create Circle command. Draw the circle at the origin, enter 5 mm for the diameter. This number doesn't matter because we will use the hole command to specify the hole size. Close the window. Now I will sketch the same on this side. Pick this face and start sketching. Let's pick this face and start sketching like this. We will have 3 circles on this face. 1 circle at the origin and 2 other circles like this. I will add equal constraints to these circles to make them all the same diameter. Pick 2 circles at a time. Now I will add dimensions to make it fully constrained. Type 30 mm for both sides. Make sure it's fully constrained. Close the window. We need to create the same sketch on the other side. We will copy the sketch and paste it on the other side. To do that, select the sketch and right-click and pick copy. We only need sketch 003. Uncheck this and select the sketch. Click OK. Press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste the sketch. Now the sketch is copied onto the same face. We have to move it to the other side. Make sure the sketch is selected and you are on Data tab. Click on this parameter box and click on these 3 dots. Click on the plane to change the face. Now the sketch is moved to this face. We have all the hole locations and it's time to place the holes using the hole command. Click on hole command and pick this circle. Change this to isometric regular profile. Change the size to M20. I will make the hole depth up to 110 mm and leave 15 mm for the hole on the other side. I will make 15 mm for the thread depth. Check these boxes. Check the model. Click OK. Go to View menu and pick this option to see the section view. I am going to slice it along Z-axis. Click on Flip to cut other side. I will add another 15 mm long threaded hole at this end. Uncheck this and close the window. Pick this circle and click on the hole command. Change this profile to same as before. Let's make the hole depth and thread depth to 15 mm. Oops, I forgot to change the hole size. Pick M20. Click OK. Let's check the section view again. Now we have M20 hole with 15 mm long threaded both ends. Let's place other holes. Click on the circle and click on the hole command. Change these settings. Pick M6 hole. Type 35 mm for the hole depth, so it will go up to center of the block. I will make the thread depth to 5 mm. Check the model. Click OK. Now select the circle on the other side to place M8 hole. Click on hole command. I forgot to move this copied sketch into the body. Drag the sketch and drop it onto the body. Click outside and click on the circle again to place the hole. Change the parameters like this. Check the model. Now we have M6 hole on one side and M8 hole on the other side. Click on this eye icon to turn on the visibility of the sketch. Pick this circle to place M10 hole. Change the parameters like this. Make the depth up to center of the block for all the holes. Turn on the visibility of the sketches. Select this circle to place M12 hole. Change the parameters like this. Let's place M14 and M16 holes on rest of the circles. Let's do a section view one more time. Looking good. Let's place the mounting horse. Select this face and click on Create Sketch command. Click on Circle command and draw 2 circles like this. Make both circles same size by adding equal constraint. Now I will add dimensions to make it fully constrained. Control select on the center of the point of both circles and the origin point and click on this symmetric constraint tool. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Close the window. Click on Hole command. Pick Through All for the depth. Click OK. The model is now complete. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment below if you have any questions. See you on next video.